Are you tired of chatbots that sound robotic and don't understand your business? Have you ever wondered why most enterprise chatbots feel like they're stuck in the past? They're expensive, inflexible, and often don't even understand your business. What if you could build your own, a smart, flexible chatbot without expensive contracts? Working together at AI Evolution, we built a chatbot that really understands the business, grows with needs, and keeps data secure. What if I told you that you could have a chatbot that actually understands your business inside out, gives you complete control over your data, grows with your company, and keeps costs predictable and transparent? We did it all with open source tools. It's not just about building a chatbot, it's about creating an AI foundation that puts you in control. Let me show you how. Think of what we built as a three-piece orchestra, where each instrument plays an important role in creating the perfect harmony. The conductor is Flowise, an open source platform that lets us orchestrate everything visually. Imagine building with digital Lego blocks, but each block is a powerful AI component. Our second player is Qdrant, a vector database that acts as the bot's brain. It's like having a librarian with perfect memory who can instantly find any piece of information you've ever stored. And finally, we have Claude Sonnet 3.5 by Anthropic, the vocalist of our orchestra. It takes the information from our librarian and turns it into natural, meaningful conversations. Now here's where it gets really interesting. You know how frustrating it is when a chatbot gives you completely wrong information? We solved that using something called RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Don't worry about the fancy name, let me show you what it actually does. Imagine you're training a new employee. First, you give them all your company documents to study. Then, when a customer asks a question, they quickly find the relevant information and respond using only that verified knowledge. That's exactly what our system does, but at lightning speed. Let me show you how we built this. Here in Flowise, we start by feeding the system all your company's knowledge, documentation, product specs, FAQs, whatever you need your bot to know. The magic happens in how we process this information. The system breaks down these documents into bite-sized pieces, converts them into a format our digital librarian can understand, and stores them for instant retrieval. When someone asks a question, our librarian finds the most relevant pieces of information in milliseconds. But here's the important part, and this is what sets our solution apart. The bot can only use the information we've given it. No making things up, no generic responses, just accurate, business-specific answers every time. Let's get practical. How did we actually build this? We started with a cloud server from Hetzner, chosen specifically because it gives us enterprise-grade performance without enterprise-grade prices. Everything runs in Docker containers, which means we can update, scale, or modify any part of the system without touching the others. It's like having building blocks that you can rearrange at will. Security was absolutely essential. We built in multiple layers of protection, a robust firewall that only allows necessary connections, SSL encryption everywhere, and strict access controls that you manage. The best part, when it came time to integrate this with Evolution's website, it was as simple as copying and pasting a few lines of code. The integration was completed in minutes, and the team made it look great. Let's talk about what really matters, the impact on your business. You know those enterprise software contracts that make you feel like you need a law degree to understand them? We've completely eliminated that complexity. Instead of dealing with user licenses, feature tiers, and hidden fees, our approach is refreshingly straightforward. You pay for exactly what you use, server costs, and API calls. That's it, no surprises, no complex calculations. But here's what truly excites me about this solution and why I believe it's the future of enterprise AI. It's about more than just saving money. First, you get complete data sovereignty. In today's world where data privacy isn't just nice to have, but essential, this makes a real difference. Your company's information stays on your infrastructure. You control it. You decide who has access. It's that simple. Second, you're not locked into anyone's ecosystem. Remember when you wanted to add that one specific feature to your existing chatbot, but your provider didn't support it? That problem disappears. Need to integrate with your CRM? Want to add voice capabilities? Want to switch language models? Go ahead, it's your system. Third, and this is my favorite part, you're future-proofing your investment. The AI landscape is evolving at an incredible pace. New models, new capabilities, new possibilities emerge almost weekly. With this architecture, you can integrate whatever comes next. Your system grows with the technology. I've been in software engineering for more than 2 decades, and I've seen countless companies struggle with the build versus buy decision, especially when it comes to AI. What we've created here isn't just another chatbot. It's a foundation for intelligent automation that puts you in control. The question isn't whether AI will transform your business, it's whether you will transform it on your terms or someone else's. I'm Thomas, and working with AI Evolution, we've created solutions that help companies build AI systems that actually make sense for their business. If you're thinking about implementing a chatbot or want to break free from your current solution's limitations, let's talk. Connect with me on LinkedIn, you'll find me as Thomas Kirst, or send me an email. I'm happy to dive deeper into the technical details or discuss how this approach could work for your specific needs. For more information about AI-centered business solutions, connect with Simon Forg, the CEO at AI Evolution. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to exploring how we can transform your business with intelligent AI solutions that you control.